beautiful people. Welcome back to the VeeHive. I am Vondessa. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're returning, hello and welcome, welcome, welcome. So guys, today I am going to start on our master bedroom for the spring. I have already picked the colors, but I did stop into Goodwill about a week ago to look to see if I can find some pieces that will work in the space. You just heard something. Will work in this space, or I can recreate it to what I wanted. That particular day, I was on the way to Home Goods, and I just happened to look, and I was like, oh, you know what? Let me go to Goodwill. Here in Georgia, Goodwill is expensive. I'm going to tell you that. So this one happened to be not in the, sorry to say, kind of like upper class type area. So I did stop into this Goodwill. And lo and behold, guys, I struck it. Yes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you these pieces. If you did see a previous video when I was in Goodwill, you did see the pieces. But guys, I did not look on the bottom of these pieces until just now. For one, guys, I'm going to alert you, they are not pleasing to the eyes. Well, these eyes at all. So the first thing, guys, let me move these over because I don't want to break them. So the first thing is this. I got it for $3.93. And guess what? When I just turned it over, it did come from Hobby Lobby. And it was $34.99. Well, guys, color, I would never. So I did look past the brown, the yellow, the turquoise. I had to visually look past this. So my vision that came past this, actually it's going to work out perfect. And while I was in there, I have the sisters. So I have the big brother and the little sister. And the big brother was $5.05, but at Hobby Lobby, it was $39.99. So like I said, I did look past all of the ugly. I know if somebody out there said, girl, those are beautiful. No, they're not, but just wait. So I got both of these babies for $5, $6, $7, $8. $9. Score. So guys, when I was in there also, I don't know if these gonna end up in the bedroom. I do need to change out the wine glasses in the bedroom. So 2 of these just may go up there. And I just bought the 3rd one for the simple reason, guys, if I break one, I got a backup. So it was these beautiful glasses. And that is the detail. I did get them from 99 cents a piece. But guys, when I look up on the bottom, guess where it came from? Pier 1. So I have a total of 3 of them. None of them are chipped or anything. So I am going to hand wash these very, very good and put those 2 of those up in the master bedroom. Well, you know what? I can use all 3. 1 in the bathroom, 2 in the master bedroom. Boom, all 3. So once again, because they are thin, let me move those out of the way. Also, when I was in Goodwill, I found this baby. And on the bottom, it was $17.50. I got it for $6.06. And guess what, guys? Military discount. Ooh, ooh. So, these are the items that I am going to be working with you today. So it's another little thing, guys. What is the chances that you go in Goodwill, our favorite store, Home Goods, and those tags are stamped just the wrong place? You try to get them off and it's leaving that sticky residue. Well, I have a solution for you. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. And it comes off just like that. So guys, stay tuned. Let me flip my camera. Let me get set up. And I'm going to show you this because it is something that you have in your home right now. I guarantee you have it in your kitchen or in your cleaning supplies. I think if you're a YouTuber, you do have it. And I'm very sure this company has no clue that it works this way. So let me go ahead and flip my camera so I can show you. Okay, guys, here is the label here, and it's a Goodwill label and also where it originally came from. So guys, the breaking thing to remove these tags, Miss Myers spray, guys. Can you believe it? Miss Myers spray. So I'm going to show you, and I like to wet mine down pretty good. And what I do, I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to come back and show you how easy it is for it to just come off. Okay, guys, it has been about 5 minutes, probably a little bit less. So I'm going to show you the only thing you can do. Go ahead and just soak that in, and you just going to put a little bit of pressure to it. Well, you see that one, it's already gone. So just put a little bit of pressure. Maybe this sticker is like super duper old, but you do see it coming off. So because this sticker probably is very old, and looking at it, guys, guess what? It is a Hobby Lobby sticker. Yes, it is. So what I'm getting ready to do, I'm going to apply it one more time and let it sit, because I don't think I really let it sit for a complete 5 minutes, but I am going to let that one sit for about 5 minutes. With both of these guys, I took them right off, no problem, with the spray. So I am gonna kind of like see what's the dealio with the glasses, because you know, stickers, yep, this one is doing the exact same thing. So guys, here we go again. So what I'm gonna do, what I've been doing with the lids, I just turn them upside down like this, like so. So I'm gonna put this one here, and I'm just gonna spray them. And I'm gonna let them sit there for a few minutes. So guys, I went head on and tested the first one, and it came straight off. So I wanna show you exactly how it comes off. Look at it, I'm just applying a tiny bit of pressure, and it is rolling straight off. And the good part about it, the stickiness from the back is coming off along with it. So look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So I will do this again. I'm going to show you the third one. I'm going to get some of the fluid from off the counter and up close. See, it is just rolling straight off, not leaving any residues. And guys, this is with anything that is glass. I have noticed this, and look how quick that came off. That is absolutely so quick. Minus, I had some spray left. So guys, yes, Miss Myers multi-service is the thing. So now I'm going to go back to that first one. You know, I told you that sticker seemed like it was very old, but now I have let it sit while I was demonstrating on the glasses. And guys, guess what? Yep, it is coming straight on up. I wish I had a different angle to show you, but I am going to make just a separate video on how to remove sticky tags from off glass, porcelain, you name it, comes out the store, an easy way to remove it. So I will be making a very much so separate video for that, because guys, Miss Myers spray costs you about $2.49, $3.99, somewhere up in that ballpark. So guys, very easy. It just comes straight off. If it's one of these new tags, yes, one spray, 5 minutes, and it's off. So now that I have removed all tags from everything, I have wiped down these two. Now the next step, guys, we're going to go outside so we can spray these. So I am not completely sure if I want the white, in which it is quick dry, and that is the color I really need, is this white. So let's go ahead and spray it with this white one.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that.
I want a little contrast in there, and that's why the dripping paint, I want that. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. Guys, well, it's days later, and I wanted to show you guys what my Goodwill thrift flip looks like. I am not going to place it where I want it right now because it will be either in the master bedroom, I think, or it may be in the living room. So I'm going to go ahead and show, you know what, I might do a little styling to show you what you can do with these, because you know they were really ugly. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like now, and I'm just going to do a little small styling to them. It's nothing major because I don't think they're going to go where I'm going to put it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it look like. So guys, this is the outcome. I think they came out so pretty compared to what it was. So what I am going to do right now, guys, I'm going to do a little bit of styling to show you what you can do and make this so pretty. So hold the line.
Broken future. All the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damaged should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here.
Guys, this is kind of like how I styled this. This is just something that I just put together quickly just to show you guys. So of course, these lovely beads, guys, I made them myself. Look at there, they are so pretty. But this is how I kind of like style it. I would not put this plant in here, of course, but this is what it looks like, guys. So pretty, so pretty. And those were from hubby for Valentine's. But guys, this is what it looks like. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is my redo, remake, rehab, I would say, of these cutie patooties right here. So guys, I will be styling those in my bedroom for the spring. So if you have not, go ahead and join the VeeHive. You need to do it at this time. Go ahead. It costs you absolutely nothing. It's free. What in this world today is free? Well, just to subscribe to me, free. Turn on your notification bell. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Hope you did enjoy it. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out, tell a neighbor, tell a friend, because now I have put in some of Goodwill Rehab's redos. So guys, at the end of all my videos, you know what I got to say. I got to go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye.
Where we went wrong, baby. Everyone gets hurt. That's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out.
Just remember, anything you see, you can change. Just have it all in the imagination. Bye, guys.